Inside Preview page, make an object of repository class. Now, create floating action button. Leave unpressed empty for now. Pass download icon to this button. Set background color. I'll use RGBO color to also give it some opacity. Set foreground color to white with some opacity. Set shape to circle border. Set floating action button location to center float. Now, inside onPressed method, call download image method from the repository class. Pass image URL and image ID variables from this widget. With this, download button is complete. Now close this app because it's time to test whole app on real device.